Hi friends, this is Hemant here, and today we'll be creating a React application without using Create React App tool by Facebook. So I'll show you what under the hood a Create React app does, and after this video you'll be able to customize your React application configuration as per your need. So currently if you see, I have an empty folder, and let me open Visual Studio Init, and we'll start creating all the configuration files which are needed. Okay, so first let me close this and open the terminal. Okay, first command is npm init. So what this will do is initialize a project by creating package.json. So either you can use npm init or you can use npm init -y. So whatever this npm init would ask us now, it would take yes for it if you put npm init -y. Package name is hworld. I'll just put in enter, and my package.json file would be created. So this is the first step, okay, creating the package.json file. Now let me create a folder called src. This is where all your javascript files would be hold up. Okay, now my src folder is created. So first we'll start with webpack. I will install npm install -d. So what this does is it stores uh, your package name in the package.json file. Okay, so npm install -d. We have webpack, then webpack-dev-server, and webpack-cli. Okay. So when you create your application using the Create React app, these files are generated under the hood, but you won't be able to see it. So this would take time, and once this is installed, I'll come back. Okay, so now our webpack and related packages are installed. So let's install Babel. So let me copy paste, and I'll explain what all packages we need. So we have babel-core and babel-loader. Okay, these are the main npm packages, and the rest of the packages babel preset es 2015. So this supports backward compatibility with es 2015. Then we have babel preset-react, which also supports some of the features of React. Then we have babel-core, babel presets-env, and babel preset-react. So these are related to backward compatibility for JavaScript and React. So let me go and install this. So even this would take time, and I'll come after installation. Okay, now webpack and babel are loaded. Now let's go into our package.json file and see what all packages are installed. So these are the packages which we installed, okay, for babel and webpack. So now once these two are installed, we'll okay, I missed out one more install file, so let me do it. Npm install -d, and babel, it's a plugin for babel plugin transform object rest spread. Yeah, so even that is installed, and let me show you. So these are all the packages which are installed. Now let's do the configuration. So right click on the left hand side, new window. Let me first create the babel config file, babel.config.json. Okay, so I have created this babel-config.json file. Let me put in the configuration files. So this is just whatever we had installed, the babel preset-env and preset-react and babel plugin-transform-modules-commonjs and transform object rest spread. So what this does is just for backward compatibility for JavaScript and React. Okay, so let me save this. Now once this babel configuration is created, let me create webpack.config.json.js. Okay, so let me start by creating the constant path equal to require and path. So this is already installed when we install the webpack. Okay, this should be present in your node modules, the path npm package. Then let's move to the second part, module.exports. So what equal to, so what this does is it gives you the entry point for webpack. So what we'll do is we'll create a and dot src. Okay, and inside that let's create this index.js file. Okay, inside this new file and index.js. For now let's write welcome to React. So this is what would show in the console app after our all the configuration for this React application is done. It won't show anything on the web browser, but if you configure it properly, then you would see this welcome to React in your console app. Okay, so let's move to our webpack. Okay, so I'm creating this on fly. If there are any errors, we'll check out. If not, it should run properly. Okay, and second is the output. So what output does is when the webpack runs, where your application should be deployed. So we'll give the path and path.resolve, and we'll create a dist folder wherein we'll push all our packages, all our files which are created for deployment. Okay, so when this would be a folder, and once this folder is created, also we would club all our JS file into one file called as main.js. Okay, okay, so this takes care of the model export. So this is the entry point. So this what we created, the index.js, and the output would be in the dist folder which we are yet to create. It would be created automatically by webpack. Okay, next let's see, this is created. Now let's move to creating the folder structure and files. So what we have currently done so far is source, index, babel and webpack, and this package.json was created earlier when we run the command npm init. Okay, so now let me create one file, index.html. Okay, what this index.html file would have is which should be okay, document will be react, control Z, not this one. Title should be react application. Okay, and so if you see in our webpack, we would be having this main.js file which is created, or this is, let me create one div and give it an id of root. Okay, and next thing what would we would do is script with source. Our source would be main.js. So this file is yet to be created. What this file would be, all the JavaScript files which are bundled into, and the name of that file would be main.js. Okay, so now since everything is configured, let's now go to the package.json. So here we have a script, right? So this script we would create it like start, and webpack serve. Let's give the mode also. So as of now I'm keeping the mode as development, okay, and env development dash dash open. So what this does is this open would when the webpack runs, it opens your application and it would open a web browser. Okay, the command is webpack serve dash dash mode development, the environment is development and open. Okay, so next let's see if your configuration is proper. I have opened a terminal with control tilt and let me do npm start. So what this npm start would do is it would go to this start and it would run the command webpack. So webpack we have already installed the npm package, and it would serve our application. And let's see if we can see the in the console what we had written in index.js, that is welcome to React. So npm start and enter. So this would spawn out an application and open our browser. So we have done all the compilation and the configuration files properly, so it's compiled successfully, as you can see on in the terminal, compiled successfully. So you see that our React application, the title is showing up in the React application. Let me open more tool and developer tools. So you see this welcome to React is shown. This is the same what we had put over here. So this is how we configure a React application. It's a customized React application where we have the Webpack and Babel. Anything, if you want to load any loaders in the Webpack, we can do so. So that I'll do in the next video. So thanks for watching, and if you have any queries, do post in the comment section and do like, share my video. Thank you for watching.